open MyDrive and click on the smartest route planner. Ding. Log in. Make sure you log in with your own name and your own password and save them. Click the 3 lines in the top corner, then My Items, then onto Routes. Import the GPX. So select the file you're going to import. So selected a file, double click it and scroll down until you find the name of the file. By default it'll import 2 files, a fast one and an exact one. Delete the fast one. Double click and it will zoom in. Check and ensure that the start and the finish don't cross each other. Always have a gap. Once you're happy, go to click on Edit. Route. You'll see the route and the description of where it's going to go. Now you want to save as new, so you can type in your own description of what the route is going to be. Make it short. I think you've got a maximum 200 characters. You'll use that up very quickly. Then save. When it asks you like to sync, click yes, and that will sync the route to your account, so when you do your next Tom Tom update, it'll automatically go there. Go down and check. Always remember to delete the fast one, only keep the exact one. Download the GPX file, goes into your download folder, and then save it in your GPX files. Keep it nice and simple. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And there you see it, stored amongst your other files. Okie dokie.